In today's video, I'll show you how to accept payments in Calendly step by step. By connecting a payment provider, you can require clients to pay when booking, making it easy to get paid for consultations, coaching sessions, classes, and other services. First, sign into your Calendly account and go to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, open the Integrations or Apps section. Here, you'll find the available payment integrations supported by Calendly, such as Stripe and PayPal. Choose your preferred payment provider and click Connect. Next, sign into your payment account and authorize Calendly to process payments on your behalf. Once the connection is complete, return to your Calendly dashboard. Now go to the Event Types section and select the event you want to charge for. Click Edit to open the event settings. Scroll down to the Payments section. Enable the option to collect payments during booking. Then enter the amount you want to charge for the event. Depending on your setup, you may be able to require full payment at booking or configure other payment options supported by your payment provider. After that, review your event details to ensure the pricing information is accurate and clearly displayed to invitees. Click Save to apply your changes. Now when someone books this event, Calendly will automatically direct them to complete payment before the booking is confirmed. This helps ensure that appointments are secured and reduces unpaid bookings. Before finishing, test the booking process yourself to verify that the payment page loads correctly and the transaction flow works as expected. And that's it. You've successfully configured Calendly to accept payments and automated the payment collection process for your appointments. And that's how you accept payments in Calendly. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.